absolutely loved. Oh my gosh, this one is no exception. It is the freaking cutest. High-waisted but higher cut on the sides with the cutest little details and that pop of color. Great coverage on the backside that does not ride up. It stays right in place. And then you have a strapless moment here, but if you're a little bit more heavier chested and you want some extra support, it does come with straps that you could add on, and they're adjustable. Y'all, it is so cute. Love the little knots here. All the colors. You could tie it up and adjust it however you would like there. It is perfection. So many cute color options to choose from, but they're going quick. I'm going to drop that link below in case you want to snag it.
Okay. Kakapasok ko lang. Ano oras? 7. Balik ako 7:30. Madam Aiza, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Madam Aiza. Okay, next, mga sister, pang large. Size large, high waist. Code ako 5. Check out kayo mga sister, ha. 5 ang code, 5 pang large. Code ng 5. Code 5. Okay, next, mga sis. Okay, Madam Christine, here's na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 98 pesos. May pang 2XL, pang double XL. Okay, code ako 1. 1 ang code, 1. Yes. Kain muna din kayo. Para may gana kayo mamaya mag-9. Code 1, code 1. Yung nasa likod na white, 588. 588. Okay, Madam Christine, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, Madam Christine, 98. Next, mga size na to, sister, pang large. Size large, underwear. Code ako ng 7. 7 ang code, 7 pang large. Code 7. Okay, 98 pesos. Next, mga sis. Okay, check out bago umalis ng live, mga madam, ha. Kung ayaw nyo ma-relive ang item. Mi pang XL. Pang extra large, code ng 2. 2 ang code, 2 pang XL. Code ako 2, sis. Code 2, code 2. Okay, next. Kung ayaw ma-relive, mag-check out. Next. Ay, kanina pa pala yun. Madam, pang medium, sis. Pang medium na self-tie. Code ako ng 3. 3 ang code 3, pang medium. Code 3, pang medium, sis. Self-tie. Code ako 3. 98 pesos. Next, madam, pang large. Size large. Ganda naman ang print nito. Size large, code ng 7. 7 ang code, 7 pang large. Code ng 7. Size large. Cute ng print nun. Next tayo, may pang large ulit. Plain black, size large. Size large. Code ako 4. 4 ang code, 4 pang large. Code ako 4, plain black. Okay, next. Size na to, sister, pang XL. Extra large na underwear. Code ng 8. 8 ang code, 8 sis. Okay, XL, code ako 8. Code 8. Random flexing, madam, random. Me large. Size large sis. Okay, code ako ng 2. 2 ang code 2. Size na to large. Code 2. Ay, nag-8. Code 2. Size large. Okay, next. Yung suot ko, madam, di available siya. Okay, Madam Jenny, years na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, Madam Jenny. 98 pesos. Mi pang XL. Pang extra large na one side. Code ako ng 4. 4 ang code, 4. Okay, check out na sa mga hindi pa naka-check out. Code 4, pang XL. Done, check out. Thank you, Madam Lyra. Madam Ansley, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 98 pesos. Next. Okay, next. Caesar pang XL. High waist, extra large. Pang XL, code ako 9. 9 ang code 9. Alang ganda sis. Code 9 pang XL. Wala. Ay, hindi ko pa pala yung na-flex. Okay, next. Wala pa yung sasuot ko sis. Abangan nyo yung arrival. Baka meron. Madam size small. Very cutesy. Code ako ng 4. 4 ang code. Okay, small. Code 4. Code 4. Code ng 4 is small. Okay, Madam Maria. Nina, yours na. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, Madam Maria. Nina, 98. Okay, next, mga sister. Size nito pang small. Cutesy naman ito. Size small, pang cutesy. Code ng 7. Small, 7 ang code 7. 98 pesos. Madam Crystal, yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 98 pesos. O, next. 7 na. Next. Size na to pang medium ulit, sis. Pang medium. Code ako ng 1. 1 ang code 1, pang medium. Code 1. Abangan nyo yung arrival. Baka merong ganito. Hindi ko lang sure. Okay, number 1 kalaban ako, sis. Madam Miss Olive, yours na. 98 add to cart sa basket. Kalaban ako, sister. Hindi ako kakampi. Next tayo, pang XL. Extra large, madam. Pang XL. Code ako 4. Ganda nito, sis. 4 ang code. 4 pang XL. Ang ganda, sis. Code 4. Parang pasok to hanggang large. Okay, 4 ang code 4. Madam, you won't know me. Yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 98 pesos. Next. Okay, plain black. Pang medium, sis. Pang medium. Done check out. Thank you, madam. Plain black. Code ako ng 7. Pang medium. Code ng 7. 7 ang code. Code ng 6 din. Okay, pang medium. Next, mga madam. Size nito, sister, ay kagaya kanina ni. Pang 2XL naman siya. Okay, pang double XL. Code ako ng 4. 4 ang code 4. Pang 2XL, code 4. Code 4. Okay, 98 pesos. Madam Rian, yours na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 98 pesos. Next. Okay, pang medium. Mga sister, check out kayo para hindi ma-relive. Pang medium, sis, pa-halter. Maganda to. Code ako ng 7. 7 ang code, 7. Pang medium.